I am so impressed with this 6-bowl mixing set I was just gifted from Priority Chef. Not only do you get these 6 stainless steel bowls that are meant to last a lifetime, but you get lids for each bowl and even more. To start off with, this is all about these incredible mixing bowls. You get 6 different sizes, and each one is a stainless steel bowl with a silicone non-skid bottom. And then on the inside, each of them has measurements as well. On top of that, you get lids for every single bowl that go on beautifully. So you could take these for camping, for potluck, for food storage, whatever you want them for. Those are fantastic. And you can really tell how tight these are because to get them off actually takes a little effort. And you can see that it has a double seal along the edge. But that's not all. You also get this impressive lid that's designed for the second to largest bowl. And this lid is far more sturdy, but the main trick with it is that the middle actually pops out, and then you can add 3 different graters to it. You can do a slice or a medium or coarse grate. And all of these just pop right in, and then you're good to go. And this is not only a fantastic way to grate your cheeses into a container so they're not just going everywhere, but if you had something already in this bowl that you wanted to add cheese to the top, what a nice way to add it right at the end. And I have my grated cheese ready to go. And while these are stainless steel bowls meant for working in the kitchen, if you wanted to, you could definitely use these as serving bowls as well. They are fantastic bowls all around, and I know these bowls will last a lifetime. The Priority Chef mixing bowl set. It all stacks down quite small.